So here is Gogh game. So here is the app. You just find it like that. You just search for Gogh, and yeah, this app was in top chart for the last week. It's a Japanese app. Yeah, you can just download. It's super cool app just to focus. So as you can see, it's in productivity charts. So it's not really game app. It's more like just an app for improving your focus and productivity, but it has gamification element. So the idea is that you just log in and you kind of create avatar and you start in with your avatar. So you just open it up. You need to know, however, that on some phones it just doesn't load, so there is some kind of bug, and for a lot of older phones the app is just stuck on the screen. So as you can see, it takes like 10 seconds. But for me, thankfully, it loads. So it's good. So yeah, but basically here how it looks like, you just have kind of this avatar. You can just move around. You can move around. Oopsie. You can move this avatar around. You can go around your room. You can change the room, add like different posters, pictures and stickers to this room as you want. You can add some relaxing music. And the idea is that you just keep it like that and you kind of lock your screen and avatar. As you can see, you see it kind of studying and hanging out with you. And there can be different modes. You can hang out with it, but it's like, and then you just add, like, for example, this Pomodoro timer. So you need to focus with it and you just have it like that. And you don't access any other app. So you kind of keep focus and you keep studying, but you kind of not alone studying. It's kind of interesting app to focus. And you can see that this is kind of like your virtual friend and you're studying with him or her. So a lot of people like this concept. It's quite popular in Japan, but now it took some traction in the, like, Europe and US. I don't really understand how is that funny, but a lot of teenagers like it and it's going viral on TikTok. Also, the other thing is that, like, you can invite your friends avatars to study together, or like there are all these public spaces, or you can create your own space and invite your friends to that space with you. And then basically you will also see their avatars and you kind of studying together, so you can focus together, but you can kind of see with your side eye what your friends avatars are doing, and it's not that boring if you just put like a boring Pomodoro timer for you. So that's basically the idea of it. So yes, you can see that's what you have. That's the idea. In a nutshell, that's the app. There are a lot of customizations. You can customize all the rooms, your avatars. You can edit the items, add your specific posters. So a lot of settings, a lot of music. You can change the weather, and change the day or night. So that's the app. Quite cool. Try it out. Again, for some people it doesn't work though, because it's quite large app, and if you open it up, it requires all the time additional files to be downloaded, like 200 megabytes. Yeah, so that's basically what it, and also for older phones it doesn't load. As you can see in the reviews, sometimes it just got stuck on the load screen. So yeah, stuck on logo screen, won't load, loading screen not loading. So that's where it is. But yeah, there you have it. Try it out.